In today's world, food is fast but connection feels distant. We eat while we scroll, cook just to get over with it, and meals have become just another task where we heat, eat, and repeat. We have traded tradition for convenience and connection for isolation. But food was never meant to be lonely, it was always meant to be shared, savored, and celebrated.
This is where Curate steps in not just as a meal kit brand, but as a brand which celebrates experiences.
Meet Curate, a brand that brings intention back to your plate. We deliver thoughtfully crafted meal kits curated with care and inspired by cultures across the world. From fresh ingredients to the stories behind each dish, every box is designed to nourish more than just your body. Our mission is simple: make food feel personal again and help you connect to something bigger than your schedule.
The numbers tell a powerful story. The global meal kit market is projected to reach $27 billion by 2028, and it is not just about convenience anymore. A new generation is reshaping this market. Do you know 70% of Gen Z and millennials are seeking identity aligned brands that reflect their values, not just their schedules. Their food choices now prioritize meaning, wellness, and routine over speed and simplicity. The message is very clear here. The market is growing, but expectations are evolving every day. Current meal kit brand still focuses on efficiency and price, but they are missing out on something deeper, which is culture, connection, and emotional nourishment. And that is where we as a brand step in. With purpose led positioning, we don't just fill stomachs, we fill hearts. Our brand delivers symbolic value and emotional bond that builds brand trust and loyalty through care, culture, and community. Because at Curate, value is not just what is inside the box, it is the meaning behind it.
At Curate, who we are matters just as much as what we offer. Our brand personality blends two powerful forces. We are a caregiver, warm, thoughtful, and nurturing through every meal. And also, we are explorers, curious, open, and passionate about celebrating culture through food.
Our brand, belief, and values shape everything we do. We are intentional with every choice. We honor where our recipes come from, and we believe in creating a real human connection. Our values are simple but deeply felt. We believe in care, culture, community, and transparency at our core. We believe that food is more than fuel. It is how people feel seen, respected, and included, and the heart of it is our purpose, which is to turn everyday meals into meaningful experiences that brings people together. Because we don't just deliver food, we deliver belonging.
Let's have a quick look at our target audience. Our customers are more than just people who buy meal kits. They are curious explorers and conscious caretakers. These are students and young professionals aged between 18 to 30. They are experience driven yet pressed for time. They value convenience but they crave connection. They are ethically minded, culturally conscious, and are always looking to build a community around their tables. That's why we source locally and ethically and host inclusive cultural dinners that brings people together. Each gathering is a chance to celebrate heritage, share stories, and co-create connection. The meal kit space is crowded, but Curate brings something new and fresh. HelloFresh offers convenience but lacks emotional connection. U-Foods focuses on speed but has no cultural depth. Curate here blends ease with meaning. We deliver curated ingredients, cultural stories, and communal dinners, not just food but feeling, not just speed but soul. Sure, we share similarities with our competitors like subscription kits, fresh ingredient, and easy prep, but unlike others, we offer something deeper which is emotionally resonant. While our competitors focus solely on functional convenience, we deliver symbolic and experiential value. Let us now dive deep into our brand elements, starting with
Brand name Curate. It is about being thoughtful, about choosing with care. Because we don't just send out meals, we handpick stories, flavors, and experiences that feel personal. And our promise? It is crafted with care, curated for you. It is more than just a slogan or a tagline, it is how we make every decision. Whether it is sourcing ingredients or shaping a dinner, it is always done with you in our minds. Our logo tells you what we stand for in one glance. The fork represents nourishment, the roots grounds us in real, honest food, the table stands for connection, and the box, that's our meal kit ready to open and ready to share. It is simple but rich in meaning, just like our meals. And if you're looking to explore more, you will find us at curateu.mycanva.site. It is a space that brings everyone together, be it menus, stories, and invites to our next dinner. Fonts don't just fill space, they shape your first impression. We use Dream Avenue for headlines. It is modern and graceful, just like our approach to food. Montserrat and Lato helps keep things clear and friendly in our everyday text. And Playfair display in the logo adds a classic and a confident touch. Our type choices keeps things feeling fresh, familiar, and easy to read whether you are browsing a recipe or scrolling our Instagram. We took colors straight from the real world and real meals. Olive green is for freshness, mustard yellow is for warmth and heritage, earthy brown for grounding and simplicity, and soft beige and white to keep things calm, clean, and comforting.
Brand positioning shapes every element of our marketing mix. We offer cultural meal kits made with organic ingredients, complete with story cards and QR invites to themed dinners. For pricing, a tiered subscription model offers premium care while staying student accessible. For distribution, we sell through our website and activate pop ups in universities, co working spaces, and cultural hubs. For engagement, we are planning to go on Instagram, use email, and QR storytelling. We build connection and recall, making the experience as meaningful as our meals.
Our brand does not aim just to be a service, our main aim is to build a relationship which is built on trust, shared values, and emotional meaning. Our goal is to create a friendly or a family style relationship where customers feel seen, supported, and personally connected to the brand.
When we launched Curate, we knew every dollar had to count. With just $10,000 to work with, our goal was not to be loud, it was to be meaningful. That's why our communication strategy is built on three pillars: inbound, emotional, and experiential marketing, each selected for how effectively they build connection and brand equity. Inbound marketing, as shown, includes Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Spotify, and SEO blogs, which has snackable, searchable content that meets students where they already are. Messages like "from my home to yours" and "curated care in every bite." This will help us build salience through consistency and emotional cues, just as Keller recommends. Emotional marketing brings our personality to life through a hero ad, real user testimonials, and symbolic cues like family recipe cards. These stories make the brand feel human, and as Fournier suggests, meaningful brand builds relationship and not just recognition. Finally, our experiential marketing centers on real community. Our cultural dinners are not just giveaways, they are part of our core offering, which is subscription based experiences that celebrate shared rituals. Supported by the hashtag Curate Culture Challenge and follow ups, every touchpoint reinforces offline online consistency and co creations, which are key principles from IMC theory. Together, these strategies form a unified intentional ecosystem because at Curate, we are not just delivering meals, we are crafting comfort, we are curating culture.
Missing home food? We got you. Curate drops meal kits with global flavors, fast, fresh, no stress. Want to vibe with people like you? Join our culture dinner nights, stories, food, fam feels. Hit up curate.com.au